Hi guys, welcome back to Sipu. Atomi kenunu kunu se mefe bia kanyi no kono no so Igbo. Eba na Sipu, the Igbo language cafe. It's been a while since I made my videos. I've been so busy. Efada desi omado njono natamuno mwaka anodo. Tupu na me emepusi ihe niile nkwesi ime before na me eme tupu na me emepụta ihe onyonyo. Efada desi nyaka na chikowa. I've not had time. There's rarely time for anything. Manatata unwe baiga. Njecha natansi imahenge meketa. Kanto to go to video camera no just mehe obuna mehe. Unwe cheta na onwe enyim zita mozim obi momo isikwa na biko keke si ago happy birthday Igbo. We say this is a good idea. We can do that now. I'm here with the children. They are watching TV. Where's it good? Quick, on your television. So I thought, you know what? Let me shoot a video here with the kids now. Especially since we actually have a happy. Sammy, no shouting, please. Come, let's sing the Omumo Maggie song. Come. So I thought, you know what? Why don't you bring your horsey? Bring horsey. Let's sing the song. Bring horsey there. And crocodile. Bring crocodile. So I thought, you know what? Why don't we sing this happy birthday song, myself and the kids? And no, come on, we'll sing it when I say ready, steady, go. Quick. Don't touch my camera, Sam. If you touch my camera, Sammy will be in a bit. Sammy, come on, let's sing. I'm going to sit on Sam's horsey. I'm going to sit on your horsey if you do not come to take your horsey from me. Okay, come on, Hannah. Ready? Guys, before we start, I'd like to introduce my Wada, Hannah Chiko. So what's your name? Will you tell them?
Hannah Okpala.
Hannah Okpala. Say.
Hannah Okpala.
Get up again.
Afambo.
Afambo.
Hannah.
No, you look at them and say. Afambo gini. Hannah Okpala. Afo yinka bo gini. Get up and one again. Samuel Kobe Mdelechuku. Shikudi Ebube. Okpala. Now let us sing our song. Ready, steady, go. Omomo Maggie. Omomo Maggie. Omomo Mahana. Omomo Maggie. Arone Kidita. Arone Kidita. Arone Kidita. Arone Kidita. Adimarasa. 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 Well done, guys. Yeah. So, Omumoma Hannah. Agakwan ogana for September galaga. Ogana kai diregwa. Wesina. Mbobuna yemwefe. I got Gwegwa. So it was Hannah's birthday, Hannah's 7th birthday in September, and that's when this song was forged. Now we've sung it to you guys, and we're saying Omumomage. Remember that video where we did the happy birthday video? We said happy birthday, we can say it's Omumomage. I've received a few comments from people saying you could also say Ncheto Ubochi Omumu, that's remembering your birthday or the day of your birth. Ncheta Ubochi Omumu. So on that day now, we thought, can you go? So we made this song up, and Hannah was 7. That's what Arasa means. So a breakdown of the song. Omumoma, happy birthday. Arone Kidita, how old are you now, or how old are you today? Adimarasa, that's Adimarasa. I am 7. Adimarasa, and that's the way the song goes. So we have tried writing our song. Maybe later we should try writing another one. What do you think?
Yeah.
Do you think we should?
Yeah.
So I don't know. How do people at home?
Wow.
The plan was that the month of October we do a vlog and we would just speak Igbo straight. It's quite difficult, especially for us where I know how to speak Igbo well fluently. But because growing up it was English and I'm trying to break that habit. I'm not sure Hannah, what did you say in Igbo today? today when I told you to do something this morning. You said, yes. So today in the bathroom, her brother was touching something, and Hannah said what? Hannah said, and I was really pleased. I was really pleased to hear that. So guys, as much as possible, for those who want their kids to learn, be it Igbo or a second language, I think the way to do it is to keep speaking it to them. Speak it yourself, speak it to your spouse, speak it to members of the family at home. So unu chọkụ ụmụaka unu mụọ Igbo ma sụọ Igbo ma asụsụ ọbụla, ọ bụgodị Yoruba ma ọ bụ ma French ma Spanish ma Hausa ma ọ bụ Tiv, ihe ọbụla ka esi eme ya bụ jiri aka gị. Ọ nwere ndị ọzọ nọ n'ụlọ na-asụ asụsụ ahụ, gị na ha sụpụ ya ka ụmụaka jiri nwayọọ na-anụ ya, ha na-atụtụkọ obere ihe n'asụsụ ọbụla unu na-asụ. Etu ahụ ha amụtakwu ka esi asụ ya, na ọ bụrụ ịchọ ka ụmụ gị sụba Igbo, ị na-asụrụ ha asụsụ Bekee. You see her go and get it. Try see how they take me. And I try to you see her go and get me water there. Whether you are, you know, all those funny things. Something else is I chop the gum now. It's good any more budani. Ndi more budani ada Susie but they are speaking English. You know, it's funny. It's funny that you go to our villages back home. I'm from Nsukka. I go home and I hear my family and friends and the villagers, people that I expect to help to bring the language, push it up. Everybody is trying to speak speak Igbo. Now about my accent, people have asked me, where's this accent? I must confess that I don't speak Central Igbo. I think I try to, but I find that a bit that's not what we speak. My grandma is from Nando in Anambra State. Sammy! Mechiono Kankono, Dikono, where's crocodile?
It's in the couch.
Why don't you sit on the couch with crocodile? What do you know, Danny? About you go? Get a crocodile, no? Sammy, no, Danny. No, Danny. When you cousin, Akanono, Pim. Akanono, Pim. No, Danny. So, I was saying, okay, I was talking about my accent. I'm from Nsukka. So in Nasobo, I try to speak it. I have a bit of Ideke coming in. I'm not speaking Nsukka language. It is something else. It's absolutely amazing and solid. So we speak a form of Central Igbo that is a mixture of Nsukka, Nkano, Nando, Onisha, Hanchanini, Tinyekotea Ono, Nimite. What happened? Sammy, go away from my camera. Sina camera mo puta biko. Samuel. I think it's time to go now. So guys, Obi from Supo. This is a very brief video. Sorry, my son is actually touching my camera from the other side. If he moves, then you know it's him. We just wanted to say to you guys, Supo is back, and I'll be doing another video soon. Oh, great. So guys, this is Obi and saying, Cardinal Sammy!